Kia ora koutou. Hello everyone, Jason Marris, Chief Executive of Kaipara District Council here. Bit of a roading update today in my video as well. Many of you will know, because I know you love your roads, Kaipara District has 1,500 kilometres of roads, of which 1,000 kilometres of them are unsealed. We, the elected members, myself, our staff, are getting significant feedback from you all about the state of our roads. So I really want to acknowledge that, and I'll talk to that a bit later on in my video, sorry. I am here in Bob Taylor Road in Tangiteroria. Behind me you'll see some work going on. This was as a result of Cyclone Gabrielle. The river took out the tow and collapsed part of the road. So it has been accessible, but is closed at the moment while we sort out the repairs. There's been some good work here by WSP, our consultant, Ventia, our contractor, and our NTA roading staff here to get a solution together to make sure this is passable for the community, who have been currently working by travelling around through a logging track thanks to one of the neighbours. So it'll be good for the community to get this road fixed. So that's very good. Want to say this is just an example of some of the work that's going on at the moment around the district. We've prioritised all of the work based on need and impact as well. There was a huge amount of damage as a result of Cyclone Gabrielle, and it's going to take us at least 3 years to get through this. It's going to cost a lot of money as well. We're working really hard to try and make sure we get and attract external funding via Waka Kotahi and the government, and we'll continue to do that for the benefit of our ratepayers as well. So look, there's a lot of work going on in the background. I want you to know we're going to focus on the storm events as a result of our long-term plan, and we're working on that at the moment, and that is going to be the key focus for our LTP, along with other things that we get feedback on from you in the community. To continue the roading theme, just want to say that the Mangawhai Shared Path has been built over the last 12 to 18 months. That opens in about a week and a half, and it'll be excellent to see people walking down that lovely walkway as opposed to the track along Molesworth Drive. More recently, we've been consulting with the Dargaville community about some shared paths in Dargaville itself, connecting all the schools, and there were some options there that we consulted on. The feedback, we got a lot of feedback actually from the community who are very energised by this. This is external funded as well, and it had to be used on these sort of initiatives, so we didn't have a lot of options here. However, our staff went out and we consulted with everybody. We are now looking at the feedback that we've received. We'll report that back to Council in September at a briefing, and hopefully get a Council decision in probably September, October this year. So there it is, team. Just a lot of work on our roads at the moment. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's getting lighter in the mornings and lighter at night, which means the spring roading season is upon us. This is we're really looking forward to this, and our crews are getting mobilised really quickly here, because that's when actual maintenance can be done, as opposed to holding maintenance over the winter period when it's been too wet. So really looking forward to getting our crews out there and making a difference on those roads for you. So please keep an eye on them. Make sure you drive to the conditions. Be safe. Kia kaha Kaipara. Be strong Kaipara. Together we'll get there. Ngā mihi.